Hey everybody, it's Scott from Simmons Floor Covering and Total Renovations. This is a job site and trophy club that we're close to wrapping up. I'm excited about it, so I want to share with you some things that are going on. It was a water damage project and the client wanted to make some improvements to their house. So one of the things you can see that's under the wraps is we put in new stair handrail and new balusters all the way through the house. You'll see that we've got wood flooring ready to go. We're just waiting for it to acclimate before we sand and finish it. In the kitchen, this was a big deal. There was a gigantic column here and there was a big counter here. The house owner hated it. So we completely opened this up. We put in a steel beam here. We opened up the kitchen, put in this giant island. We're just waiting on some countertops. Farmhouse sink's going to be going in. All of this is new cabinetry that's been painted. Again, just waiting on some knobs and pulls. This is where it gets exciting. The client really wanted some more pantry space, and this was where the wall was. On the other side was the garage. So we actually did a knockout in the garage, and now we've been able to produce this butler's pantry. Again, it's waiting on countertops, but it was able to increase all of the storage for this place. So we'll give you another update once it's finished, but things are really moving on this project.